My brand new tripod from Officeworks won't hold my iPhone mount. With a simple modification I can resolve this issue. Let's do it! In my last video I did a review on a budget price tripod from Officeworks, but it had one major issue for me. Today I'll fix this issue. The bolt at the top of the tripod that holds the camera or camera mount is just long enough to hold a camera, but not long enough to hold my iPhone mount. To fix this problem, I removed the bolt from the tripod by using pointy nose pliers to remove the circlip. With the circlip taken out, the bolt is easily removed. I then went to my local hardware shop and purchased a longer UNC bolt. To make this new bolt easy to grip and tighten, I 3D printed a knob for it. I used the smooth and curvy star knob customizer on Thingiverse to design the knob I wanted. I like this object as you can easily change its design to suit your needs. A link will be in the description for all the items from Thingiverse. I also reprinted the iPhone tripod mount as my old one had broken. This time I printed it with 100% infill instead of 20% infill to make it stronger. It was also printed in ABS instead of PLA. When the print was completed, I inserted the UNC nut from my old broken iPhone mount. I am now on the home stretch. I placed the purchased bolt into the 3D printed star knob and connected the newly printed iPhone mount to my tripod. I'm now able to easily connect my iPhone to my tripod. If needed, I use a rubber band to stop the phone from sliding around in the iPhone mount. I was easily able to take these two time-lapse movies with my iPhone and new tripod. Overall, this was a very simple modification to my budget price tripod. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please feel free to watch my other videos on simple fix-it projects in my playlist called Let's Do It, or watch my 3D printing projects in my playlist called 3D Printing. Thanks for watching.